So how to start learning potting angles? So if you're a beginner player, I will show you one simple exercise which will help you to recognize potting angles and learn fast. Okay, so here I have a simple red which is close to the center pocket, and my goal from this position, when the cue ball just on the blue ball spot, your goal is just to pot the ball. So if I have an angle like this, so my goal is just to recognize angle and pot the ball here. So the most simplest thing here is just do your shot approach and make sure that your head position always stays to this line where I need to pot. Still to this line where I need to pot. If you don't know how to recognize potting angles, just go back, look to the straight line to the red ball here, and then go back and just keep your focus to the red. Go back to the cue ball and look, keep focus to the object ball and do your shot approach. Don't play with power, just play simple ball. And in this way you will recognize your potting angles well. When you play the shot from one side, switch the sides and go to another side here. And go back again, Look to the object ball, go back, keep your head position straight to the potting line, and do your shot approach. If you will start to feel more confident, just make your distance a little bit bigger. Here. And same principle, try to pot a ball from this position here. And then switch your sides. Try to pot ball from here. And each time when you are successful, keep your distance bigger and bigger. So after the shots, try to put the red ball here. Of course, cue ball, just put the same distance away. Try to put from here, and keep going like this. So this is with the middle pockets, because middle pockets are a little bit bigger than corner pockets. So as you're getting comfortable with the middle pockets, try to pot a ball which is close to the corner pocket from here. Try to put the ball to the side, then switch your sides and try to pot the ball from this position here. As you can see, I never complicated stuff, I just playing simple shots, because my goal here is to recognize potting angles. And you can do this all around the table. Try to pot to this pocket, then go back to the center pocket and finish with here. And why it's so good to do all around the table? Because it will allow you to change your stand position, improve your shot approach, head position, and recognize potting angles. So here was the first exercise, how you can recognize potting angles.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control mental game, I can help you to take your snooker game to the next level. Snooker coaching benefits live online coaching. Improve your snooker knowledge. Discover a technique which suits you the best. Have a decent strategic, tactical game. Detailed practice plans, analysis. Mental toughness and calmness under pressure. Just text me your name, country, and what do you want to improve to my WhatsApp number to Vilius Šultė, EBSA professional snooker coach. Don't wait and book an online or live snooker coaching session now.